How to update personal details on GPay account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can update your personal details on GPay account. Well, basically the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You can simply open up your GPay application. You can get the GPay application from your Play Store or App Store. So you want to download the GPay application and sign into your account or log into your account. Now once you have done so, you should get an interface like this. As you can see, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen there. As you can see there on the screen, once you do so, there you want to tap on the personal details option that you can see below the option that says manage GPay account, right? So we tap on personal details, and there you'll be able to first update your personal details. Now you'll have to tap on the pencil to the right of the current active mobile number, and you'll then be asked to enter your new mobile code number, and you'll have to enter in the verification code or go through the SMS verification step to update your personal details. So this way you can update personal detail on GPay account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.